Hi guys, I'm Alyona from BusinkaMania, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to sew bikini panties. For this tutorial you will need 4-way stretch mesh or any polyester fabric, elastic lace with good stretchability, lining fabric, I'm going to use a jersey, elastic, I'm going to use elastic with the scallops, but you can use fold-over elastic as well, needles number 75, one ring 10 or 12 mm, threads the same color as your fabric, and the scissors. This pattern has a very nice triangle cut in the back. And this is the bikini pattern, as you can see here. Also, I have a briefs. This pattern is a little bit more higher on your waist, and in the back it has a round shape, round cut. And this is the pattern of the briefs, as you can see here. If you have the pattern, you can use yours, but for those of you who doesn't, I'm gonna attach the link with it in the description box below. Fold your fabric in half, and on the fold of the fabric, place the pattern. Then grab piece of chalk, outline everything around, and after cut it off. Fold the lace face to face and make sure that these scallops are matching each other. You see, here they should match. Then grab the pattern and place it on the scallops edge. Outline everything and cut it off. Do the same with the gusset. I have one front element with the fold, one gusset on the lining fabric, and two elements of the back. Open your back elements this way and after grab the elastic. Sew it on here and here. You need to place face to face the elastic on top of the lace and sew here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. When you finish, fold the elastic this way like I'm doing here and sew one more time in this place. it should look this way. Now do exactly the same with the other element. Place these two elements face to each other like you see me doing here, and after sew in this place. If you have an overlocker, you can use your overlocker, but for those of you who doesn't have an overlocker, you can use your regular sewing machine. When you come more closer to the place where you have your elastic, make sure that these two elastic on the same level. Now go to your sewing machine and reinforce this seam by sewing it here. First, it will help to block this seam, and also it will prevent this from moving right and left. This is what I have so far, and now I need to grab the front element. On top of the front element, place the back element face to each other. After, grab the gusset and place this on top, and sew them here. While I'm on my machine, I'm gonna overlock the top of the gusset as well. If you don't have an overlocker, do not panic and just skip this step. Overlocker shouldn't prevent or stop you from sewing underwear, because I know a lot of people who doesn't have an overlocker and still they're making fantastic underwear for them, their family or their business. Place the gusset on the marks, which you have on the pattern, and after pin it with the needles. Grab the elastic you are working with and sew it here. On top of the fabric, place the elastic face to each other and sew here, with the settings you can see on the screen. Fold the elastic this way and sew one more time here. Take the front element and fold it exactly the same way like I'm doing here. Then grab the back elements and pin them in the middle of the front element. After pin the lace and mesh together everywhere around exactly the same way like I'm doing here. When you finish on one side, do exactly the same on the other one. On my next step, I need to attach the elastic everywhere around on top of the panties up to this place here. This is what I have so far and you should have exactly the same. Next, grab the ring, mine is 10 mm, and place this fabric inside of the ring. Pin this with the needle. Then take another side and place this as well inside of the ring. And pin this place as well. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. Block this place on one side and on the other. When you start to sew, make sure that there is no any metal object under your needle. Don't forget to cut off the leftover of the fabric and the elastic. After, burn this place to eliminate the fluffiness and the threads. Next step, as I said before, is to block these places here. Because if you don't, your back strap will start to roll under your lace and you definitely want to avoid this. It is just few stitches back and forth you need to make.